Hey there, crypto fans! Are you looking for a smarter, faster way to trade crypto in 2024? You're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into Innovation Tact, an AI-powered crypto trading platform that's transforming how beginners and pros alike approach the market. Let's face it, navigating the crypto market can be overwhelming. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, it's a 24/7 world that moves fast. Whether you're new to crypto or already trading daily, staying ahead is tough. That's why I'm excited to share Innovation Tact, a next-level crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence to make trading simpler, smarter, and more effective. This isn't your typical automated platform. Innovation Tact acts like your personal AI crypto coach, guiding you with powerful insights and helping you execute well-timed trades. Use only the official Innovation Tact link I've included in the description below. That's the verified and secure site you should use if you want to sign up and get started safely. What makes Innovation Tact special? First, it's incredibly user-friendly. The clean, modern interface works right in your browser. No need to download anything. You can access it from anywhere as long as you're online. And it's not just about looks. This AI trading bot is packed with smart tech. It scans the markets in real time, identifies trends, and helps you make more informed decisions. The AI processes massive amounts of data in seconds and spots opportunities that most traders would miss. Whether you're focused on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or other top cryptocurrencies, this bot supports them all. One of the biggest advantages of Innovation Tact is its adaptability. Whether you're a total beginner or an experienced trader, you can fully customize your strategy. Choose your risk level, adjust automation settings, and even test everything in demo mode before committing real funds. It's perfect for learning without the pressure of losing money. Innovation Tact stands out for its smart use of artificial intelligence in crypto trading. The platform uses cutting-edge algorithms to monitor the markets 24/7. While you're asleep or busy, the AI is analyzing price movements, detecting patterns, and executing trades at lightning speed. This level of automation gives you a serious edge and can significantly increase your trading efficiency. But a quick warning, because Innovation Tact is getting a lot of attention, scammers are trying to cash in with fake websites that promise big returns. Don't fall for it. Use only the official Innovation Tact link I've included in the description below. That's the verified and secure site you should use if you want to sign up and get started safely. Once you're in, it's easy. Choose how much control you want, customize your settings, and let the AI take care of trade analysis, strategy, and execution. Whether you're looking to earn passive income or level up your current trading system, this platform has your back. So, are you ready to trade crypto like a pro in 2024 with one of the best AI crypto trading bots out there? Hit the link in the description, sign up on the official Innovation Tact site, and get started today. Drop your questions in the comments, leave a like if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips, reviews, and updates. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one, and as always, stay sharp and trade smart.